Hello dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well. Me Mohammad Zakir Hussain, Assistant Head Teacher of Hussaindi Multilateral High School. All of you are welcome to our online class. Today, I will take a class on English grammar for the students of class 7. But the students of class 6, 7 and 8 will be benefited from this class. So you are invited to watch the class. Dear students, can you tell me without which we cannot express our feelings, express our comments and our questions to others? Yes, I know. You can guess what may be the topic of our today's class. Yes, our topic of our today's class is sentence. It's very simple and easy, but very much important. Without the knowledge of sentence, you cannot go ahead in grammar. So, our today's topic is sentence. Let's know what is sentence. The Bengali meaning of sentence is bakko. So try to know the definition of sentence. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called sentence. We know there are two parts of a sentence. Let's go to an example. The example is Hassan reads in class 7. Hassan reads in class 7. The first one is subject and reads in class 7. This part is called predicate. Predicate. But the first part is called subject. But you have to know what is subject and what is predicate. You can note down or you can write down the definition of subject and predicate. Let's know what is subject and what is predicate. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called the subject of the sentence. I repeat it, the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called the subject of the sentence. And now predicate, the part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. Yes, I think by this time you have noted down the definition. Okay, we got two parts of a sentence, but we will try to know about the kinds of sentences today. Dear students, you may know that there are 5 types of sentences according to their meaning. How many types? Yes, 5 types or 5 kinds. Or you can say that sentences are divided into 5 kinds. Let's note down the 5 types of sentences. These 5 types are according to their meaning. First one is assertive. Just note down the names of the sentences. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Number 3, Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Number 4, optative sentence. Optative sentence. And last one, number 5, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. I hope you have written down the kinds of sentences on your notebook. At first, today I will discuss only about the 2 sentences. The remaining sentences will be discussed for the next class. First one is assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? In our real life, we pass our statements, any information to others. This is assertive sentence. You must remember that after assertive sentence, you have to put full stop. Okay, let's try to see an example. That is, Rani is a student. Rani is a student. So, Rani is a student. This is assertive sentence because it is only a statement. It is only an information of a person. And after the end of the sentence, I have used full stop. But assertive sentences are 2 kinds. The first one is affirmative and the second one is negative. First one is affirmative. Yes, affirmative. R-F-F-I-R, affirmative. And the second one is negative. Negative. If I make the sentence Rani is a student negative, what will happen here? I have to add not after the end of the verb. Just have a look. If I make it negative, what will happen? Rani is not a student. Rani is not a student. So what we see here? We saw that in an affirmative sentence, this is affirmative. In an affirmative sentence, no or not is not available. That means negative expression is absent here. But in a negative sentence, not, that is negative expression is available there. So we can easily identify which one is negative sentence and which one is affirmative sentence. Okay, dear students, I hope you could understand the difference between affirmative and negative sentence. I will now go to the next sentence, that is interrogative sentence, that I have written before in number 2. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are 2 types. Interrogative sentences are 2 types. First one is yes no question, yes or no question, and second one is WH question. WH question. Let's go to see an example. First one, yes no question. Yes no question. Have you done the sum? Have you done the sum? This is called yes no question, because if we answer the questions, answer will be yes or not. If someone asks you, have you done the sum, you will answer yes or not. You have no chance to describe or explain it. And another question is, that is WH, that starts with WH pronoun. That is, what is your name? What? That is WH pronoun is available here. You have to answer it giving a short description, that is using an assertive sentence. How? Just look, what is your name? You will say my name is Rina or Rohim, or say Rohim is my name. So when any question starts with WH pronoun, it may be descriptive or it may be a full sentence. But yes no question, if yes no question starts with auxiliary verb, to be verb or modal verb, and their answer is only yes or no. Okay learners, I hope today you could understand what is sentence and how many kinds of sentences are in English grammar according to their meaning. And I have discussed the two sentences today, that is assertive and interrogative. So I hope to see you again in the next class. Thank you very much. See you again. Goodbye.